Good afternoon, dear friends. I'm making this demonstration video about the transition to the blockchain. Now, as you see, we are in the CRU back office, my Cryptounit. Please mind that this is a test server. That is why some fields may look new to you, look different from your current back office. But our main task here is to understand how you must save your blockchain wallet keys. The first thing you see by clicking the button Portfolio is the address of your wallet. You must copy it because you will need it in the future. We copy it and create for it a separate Word document and paste the address of our wallet into this document. Then you can print this document out in a number of copies and keep them in different places. And now, to start, you just paste it into the Word document. Before you generate an access key, we can click on the address of the wallet and see how it looks on the blockchain. Data are already being transmitted there, and we can see here 20,000 CRUs. Let's come back to the back office. We see that here we have 22,000 CRUs, whereas on the blockchain there are 20,000 CRUs. Where does this difference come from? Synchronization with the blockchain is done in stages. Firstly, we upload the 2019 data and then data for 2020. And if your purchases were made only recently or in installments, then these data will be viewed on the blockchain a bit later. Firstly, we move the data from March 2019. Well, let's get started. You press the button Generate Access Key. Here, be sure to read once again all the warnings and a reminder that you will not get this seed phrase from anyone else. Only you can see it on your devices. I can now take a picture of the computer screen with my phone, these 12 words in particular, so that the other fields of the screen and the website you are taking a picture of cannot be seen. That means that even if someone finds these 12 words in your phone, a person is rather unlikely to guess the website, the crypto wallet these 12 words belong to. But you may print out this picture and keep it as a printed copy, and then delete this picture from your phone. You can also copy-paste these words into our Word document as well. Next to the number of the wallet. When you create these phrases, it is very important to have space bars here. As they are not copy-pasted in a right way. When you enter the wallet, you need space bars. Since I took a picture with my phone, I can understand the words and add space bars in between. But you can write it down by hand on a piece of paper. You can use any means to save and keep these words in safety. So, we copy-pasted them, took a picture of them, and now move to the next step. Here, you need to enter the words in a correct order. Here, you need to enter the words one by one. We can enter them manually. The main thing to remember is to enter them correctly. Be sure to avoid any typos. Press the space bars after each word. The second word is coast. The space bar, the space bar. Or you can also use the document and copy-paste the rest of the words. You can copy-paste the phrase in full, but make sure you have the necessary space bars in between. Well, now you check if the phrase is entered correctly. Everything is fine. The first 3 words were entered manually, the remaining words were copy-pasted with spacebars, and they were correctly entered. We generated our secret key, copy-pasted our phrase onto a piece of paper, and you can also write it down or take a picture. Now let's come back to the main page, and you can see that the private key has already been generated. What is our next step to take? Our next step is, of course, to go to the wallet. Friends, this is a test blockchain. We are testing it together with our IT team. So, as you see, it has a different domain name. Do not try to repeat this domain name, which you see in this demonstration video. Well, in order to get access to the wallet, you will need the address of your wallet. Even from here, it gets us to the address of the wallet. This is just a link to the blockchain, but we need to copy and paste it. To copy and paste it. To copy. Sometimes your browser may offer to save passwords. If, of course, no one works on your computer besides you, or you don't take it out with you, if it is not your laptop, MacBook, iPad, to a public place, then you can certainly save the password in Google, together with your seed phrase and the number of the wallet. But you are not recommended to do it, because Google synchronizes passwords, even if you log in to your Google account from another computer. This, of course, is convenient if you use the wallet every day to avoid entering the seed phrase manually. Or do not carry this printed document with you, but you need to think about this safety. We are creating a PIN code. The PIN code should preferably be complicated, not 6 zeros, not 6 ones, and not your date of birth. Any other 6-digit PIN code that you can easily remember. Well, here you can see 20,000 CRUs. As I said, these are not all the transactions. They are those that were synchronized at the time of your coming to the back office. And here we do not see unfrozen CRUs. Well, in our portfolio we had 1,500 unfrozen CRUs. Let's see how they get unfrozen on the blockchain by clicking the button Refresh Frozen. Each operation you make on the blockchain shall be confirmed with the PIN code. You click Refresh Frozen once again. And refresh balances. As you can see, the figure has changed. That is, we have 3,400 unfrozen and 16,600 remain frozen. That means that the missing 2,000 CRUs will be moved to the blockchain a bit later. You see, these are gifts and promotions received on the 8th of January 2020. That means that this transaction of 2019 has already been moved, whereas the transaction in 2020 has not yet been synchronized with our test blockchain. If we look at the overall information, we have 256,000 accounts here. It is still being synchronized. If you enter your crypto wallet a week after, most likely that you will see your transaction in January 2020. How does the crypto wallet look like? Here we have the name of our account, that is the address. If you want to get funds to the crypto wallet, you copy and send this address to your friends or partners, so that they can make a transfer to you. If we want to send funds to someone, we ask them to provide this address. Let's now at random take any CRU account on the blockchain. For example, this one. And send one CRU there. Press the button Send, enter 1, enter the address of the wallet, preferably without space bars. In memo, we can simply write test. It is very important to complete this field memo when you send your tokens to the exchange. If you want to send to each other, you can write any message, for example, from Alex, or whatever you want, and click Send. Here, you will get a reminder to check if you entered the correct address of the wallet you want to send funds to. Do not pay attention to the exchange rate. 1 CRU equals to $1. While there is no trading on the exchange, the blockchain wallet does not know what is the rate of 1 CRU. So here, the cost of 1 CRU is temporarily displayed like this. And of course, we confirm the operation with a PIN code and send our funds. The transaction is complete. Now it will be displayed in the right-hand field of our wallet. In addition, if you click the button All transactions, you will see them. Let us see what we have on our wallet. Yes, the total amount has decreased by 1 CRU. And what else can we do in our crypto wallet? We can send and stake. You can get to the staking directly from the main page, dashboard. For example, by clicking the button here or from the top menu. If you are on the main page, you can go to staking from the top menu. If we have unfrozen CRUs, here there are 3,399 CRUs, we may stake them. Let us enter, for example, 300 CRUs and choose staking plan. Of course, the sweetest one is our Evorich 8%. If you look at the schedule, choosing this plan, you will see that the first accrual will be in 3 months. That is, the plan will be in effect on the 20th of May. For the first month, you will receive your income from staking, that is 300 CRUs, on the 20th of June. and it will be 24 CIUs. 4% of them will get immediately liquid, whereas the remaining 4%, that is 12 CIUs, will be added to this portfolio. Here you can see the total income from staking for 36 months. That is, our staking event works throughout 36 months. You will get your first income in 3 months. And we look at the schedule. Look at our future income. Click the button Stake. We are asked for the PIN code to confirm this transaction. The transaction is complete. Here we have a green indicator. Let us have a look, but first update this page. Let's have a look at how the staking pool has decreased. That is, we staked here, we had 3 millions. And as soon as we staked, our income from it is reserved for 3 years ahead. And the staking pool decreases. What else can we stake? CIU for UNTB. We also go here, enter, for example, 100 or 1000 CIUs, because this staking is very liquid. You may terminate it in even 74 hours. That means if you terminate it, then your CIUs are credited to your balance after 72 hours. And this staking generates your income from UNTB issuance every minute. Let's see how much UNTBs we can earn with 1000 CIUs literally in a few minutes, while I'm recording this video. Meanwhile, we will have a look at other functionalities of our wallet. You may buy RAM and sell RAM. That means if you see that you have a lot of work ahead of you, let's say you are a trader, and you understand that you will have a lot of transactions on your wallet, then you need to buy RAM. After you finish your work with the wallet, you don't need this RAM anymore. You can sell it as well. We haven't studied the staking options in full yet. World CIUs for UNTB. This functionality will be unavailable until we transfer world CIUs to crypto wallet balances. I think just 1 week, a couple of weeks after, and it will be available. When we need to increase the bandwidth or speed of our wallet, we stake UNTB, and this increases the bandwidth of the wallet. Let us get back to stake UNTB and have a look at how many coins of our blockchain we get in 2 minutes. We activated staking 2 minutes ago. Press the button Refresh. Refresh. Do you see 8,740 UNTBs in 2 minutes? And be sure to press the Claim button. Confirm. Well done. Now our UNTBs are on our balance. Here, we received an income of 8,740 UNTBs. 8 of them are staked, so that our wallet has RAM, CPU, and net. You can also send USDUs to each other. In general, there is a choice which tokens we can send in the section Send. And also, in the near future, in the USDU section, there will be the button Buy. Buy USDU through the quantum payment system using your Visa or MasterCard. We are working on adding this functionality. We think this functionality will appear in the next couple of weeks. In general, this is the basic information about the crypto wallet. The only thing is that if you do log out here, then, even if your Google has saved the passwords, you will still need to enter the name of the wallet. That is, we use our name of the account and the seed phrase to re-enter the wallet. After the key is generated here, in your back office, you will not see the seed phrase again. That is, be very attentive and careful to the very first step of the creation of your seed phrase, and be sure to copy and enter the address of the wallet. That is all from me. I wish everyone all the best and safe use of your crypto wallets. Bye-bye.